Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Ensure SQL Server is installed and you know the server name or IP. Once done, prepare your Windows or SQL login credentials so you won't stall at the login prompt. Now, open the Start menu and type SQL Server Management Studio, or press Windows plus R and run SSMS. EXE, this starts the program. If SSMS doesn't appear, make sure the installer completed and check program files for the SSMS. EXE path before proceeding. You're at the Connect to Server dialog, so decide which authentication method fits your environment. Windows authentication for integrated access or SQL Server authentication with a username and password. Then type the server name, use server / instance for named instances, or IP, port for non-standard ports. Click Connect and watch the Object Explorer. A successful connection expands the server node and shows system databases. If opening fails, retry with corrected credentials and double-check network connectivity. Once connected, navigate the Object Explorer to find databases, security, or management. Click Items to view objects. This is how you interact with your server. To run queries, click New Query, select the correct database from the drop-down, and execute TSQL statements. When you finish, close the connection or disconnect the server node. If things go wrong, one key tip: verify the SQL Server service is running and that firewall rules allow the port. This resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.